Hello there! Laura Mercier just sent me some of her amazing skincare products. Now this is the perfect regimen of products to get your skin prepped for makeup. So we are starting off with the Refining Cream Polish. This is a physical exfoliator. It does have little beads in it that are going to exfoliate your skin. So you want to get your skin damp, work this into your fingertips, and then you want to take it and just massage it into your skin. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure for this. You already have those beads in there that are doing the exfoliation for you, so you don't want to, aggravate the skin at all by applying a lot of pressure. This is a product that I recommend using maybe 2 to 3 times a week or when you have special events. I don't think it's something that you need to use every single day, but it is really, really great to slough off that dead skin and any texture that might be there. So massage that in and then rinse it all off. All right. Super nice and dry, and already I feel like my skin looks a little bit more radiant just from having that great exfoliation. The next thing that you want to follow with is the Illuminating Eye Cream from Laura Mercier. So this is going to immediately brighten your under eyes. You want to take just a little bit on your ring fingers, and then you want to take that and just tap it right around your under eye and sweep it around your orbital bone. You use your ring finger because it's going to give you the least amount of pressure so that you're not pulling and tugging on your under eyes. You want to be nice and gentle. The next thing you're going to do is add your moisturizer. This is the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer from Laura Mercier. And I'm going to take a good amount of that, work it into my fingertips, and then I'm just going to take it and pat it into my skin. And I always have a tendency to sweep my products upward. I just feel like it gives me more lifted look. I also bring everything down on my neck and décolleté. And really work that in. So you've got that moisturizer worked in. It already just feels amazing. My skin feels super, super soft and hydrated. The next thing we're gonna do is add in the Nourishing Rose Oil. I'm gonna take 3 drops on my fingertips, work it into my fingertips, and then take it and press it onto my skin so that I can make sure that it's distributed evenly. Then I'm just gonna blend it out. Now, if you are somebody who has a little bit more oily skin, I maybe would skip this step. I am very dry, so I love oil. I use it all the time. If I could bathe in it, I would. All right, so we've got that oil all over. So I'm gonna finish it off with the Laura Mercier Hydrating Lip Balm. So there you have it. 5 easy steps to perfectly prepped skin for your makeup application. I think I look beautifully radiant. My skin feels amazing. It actually doesn't feel like it has too much product on it. Everything is very comfortable and lightweight. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what other things you want to learn. Goodbye.